Okay, very good morning everyone. So today I'm going to continue again with the homework. Okay, we're going to finish up this because this part also anyhow very important for the integration by part. Remember, this part is very important comes to advanced calculus. Okay, advanced calculus. This will be the basic for the advanced calculus lah. Okay, so this part is very important for the next stage. Okay, after you finish your calculus, this part will be very important for advanced. So the basic very important for the advanced. So this is the continuation after the next semester. Okay, so let me go with the low pad. So first we need to get low pad. Okay, so low pad says what? LOPET. Okay, low pad bagi kita je benda ni. So LO refer to logarithm. Okay, P is refer to polynomial, and then E refer to exponent, and then the last one is trigonometry. Okay, so this is what the basic things that we have studied last week. Okay, now how to solve this? Okay, so to solve this, remember we need to get U and dV. U is differentiate. Okay, just recall lah. I know you mesti apa? You tak buat exercise, you mesti lupa. dV is integrate. Okay, because no exercise, no further exercise. You tengok lepas tu you lupa. That's how we learn. Okay, so we have to do recall lah. We have to redo recall. Okay, U is differentiate, dV is integrate. So this side is U, this side is dV lah. So what is U, what is dV? So definitely exponent and trigo. U will become the differentiate. So U is exponent 2x, and dV is come with sine 3x dx. So that's how we decide the U and dV. Okay, now U must differentiate. So yang sebelah sini must differentiate. Okay, so differentiate this side. Okay, this side is integrate. Okay, so I'm going for integrate differentiation. So du it will be equals to, what's the answer? Anyone want to share? Yeah, correct. 2 exponent 2x. Very good. Okay, 2 exponent 2x. What about v? V, we integrate sine 3x dx. Okay, so v will be equal negative what? Yeah, correct. 1/3. Okay, so 1/3 what? Cos 3x plus c but we no need to write c actually. No need plus c so we just 1/3 cos 3x. Okay, so I'm going to continue with the first integration. So exponent 2x sine 3x dx will be equal, okay, get the formula. What is formula? uv minus v du. So this is the formula. Okay, I hope you know you remember the formula. At least you remember the formula. Okay, so we know the formula. Okay, next I continue with the substitution. So I'm going to substitute. U is exponent 2x. Okay, so exponent 2x. So get the u. So u is here, and v is negative 1/3 cos 3x minus, okay, what about v? V is actually again substitute negative 1/3 cos 3x, and what is your du? Du is actually times 2. So I missed this actually. I missed the dx. Ini saya tinggal dx. So 2 exponent 2x dx, close bracket. So dx I put the end. Just exponent 2x I put it here. So I put bracket because I want to expand. Okay, make sure I want to make it like a nice expansion here. That's why I get this. Okay, now we need to simplify. Okay, what I get? I'll get, I write again, exponent 2x sine 3x dx equal, so exponent times its cos we get negative, right? Negative 1 over 3, so I put the fraction in front, so negative 1 over 3 exponent 2x cos 3x minus, so you see negative negative positive, I put positive here, and then I got number 1 over 3 times 2, I get 2 over 3. 2 over 3 I put it front, 2 over 3 integrate, okay, so 2 over 3 already taken out now, so no more constant here, constant already taken out, so I get what? I get exponent 2x cos 3x dx. Okay, any questions so far? Okay, assuming that no question lah, boleh ikut lah. Okay, now remember this one, okay, haven't settled. Okay, ini belum settle lagi. You see this one, this integration haven't settled, so we need to proceed for another integration. Okay, we need to continue with another integration. So again I must put this one u, this whole thing become dv. Okay, I need to proceed for another integration, by part integration. It because of what? Because you see it still got integration. Okay, kita nak integrate pun tak boleh. So because we got two functions there, one is trigo, another one is cos. One is exponent, another one is trigoram. So we cannot solve. Of course, we need to proceed with integration. Okay, by part integration. Okay, so again I do what? I go for another substitution, I mean another integration, which I put u equal, okay, exponent 2x, and the dv will come cos 3x dx. Okay, u become exponent 2x and dv become cos 3x dx. Okay, come. Anyone want to share your answer for du? Du become, yeah, correct, 2 exponent 2x. Very good. 2 exponent 2x. Okay. What about v? V we integrate cos 3x dx. So the answer will come, yes, correct, 1 over 3 sin 3x. Okay, positive because sin, cos kita integrate dia jadi positif, cos kita integrate dia jadi negatif. Okay, so we get 1 over 3, okay, 1 over 3 sin 3x. Plus c tak payah lah, plus c ada tapi tak payah, because we put at the end. Okay, now I'm going to do substitution to the formula again. So saya ganti macam mana? Saya ganti macam ni. Okay, ini I have to bring it. Okay, I have to bring this. Saya kena bawa integrate. Okay, exponent 2x sin 3x dx equal negative 1 over 3 exponent 2x cos 3x plus, okay, 2 over 3. That in bracket, you see in bracket I'm going to substitute the formula. So uv minus v du. So in bracket I want to substitute the formula, because 2 over 3, only this one is the integration one. So I want this answer put here, put in the bracket. Okay, what is my answer? U is actually exponent 2x, correct? Okay, and v is actually 1 over 3 sin 3x minus, okay, again integrate, okay, 1 over 3 sin 3x and times by 2. See, I missed this. Actually, this is the one you really will miss lah. 2 exponent 2x dx. Okay, So this one you get 2 exponent 2x dx. Remember integration mesti have you mesti kena ada dx atau dy, because you are saying I want to integrate respect to x or y. Mesti kena ada. Without dx you don't know what you are differentiate, what terms want to differentiate, because sometimes we have integration by part. I mean integration like partial integration, right? Okay, partial differentiation. So we need to know what is exactly the value we want to differentiate. So kita akan dapat ni. Okay, next is what? Next we simplify. Okay, we try to simplify. So I copy back. Okay, equal. Okay, this one let it be that. Okay, negative 1 over 3. Okay, exponent 2x cos 3x, and then plus, okay, 2 over 3, let it be here. Okay, hold on, let me finish the whatever inside. Okay, bracket, and here we get what? Here we get 1 over 3 exponent 2x sine 3x, okay, minus, and here you get constant is 2 over 3 but minus, right, because no negative, so only one negative here, so definitely 2 over 3 integrate, okay, exponent 2x sine 3x and dx, close bracket. Okay, so this is what I get. Okay, so what is next step? Next step, I'm going to expand this. I want to bring the 2 over 3 inside. So ini masuk dalam. Okay, I need to okay, I want to solve the expansion. So I get what? Equal negative 1 over 3, okay, exponent 2x cos 3x plus, okay, 2 over 9 exponent 2x sine 3x, and then minus, okay, 2 times 2 become 4 over 9, and then integrate exponent 2x sine 3x dx. Okay, so we already almost too close to answer. Okay, but you may ask me, so still we got integration. What are we going to do with the integration? This is the very interesting part. Okay, this is what the very interesting part that we need to understand. Okay, let me show you the last answer. So last answer will be, you see, look at this. Okay, look at this. Here we got what? Here we have exponent, integrate exponent 2x sine 3x dx. Okay, look at this. Here we got exponent 2x 3x, and here also same thing, we got exponent 2x sine 3x. So we get back the same thing. You see, look at this, exponent 2x sine 3x dx, and here we have exponent 2x sine 3x. So what we're going to do is, we're going to bring this integration to our left hand side. So I'm going to bring here. So I get what? I get exponent, integration of exponent sine 3x dx plus, because here got negative, right? Negative 4 over 9. So I bring here, I become 4 over 9 integrate exponent 2x sine 3x dx. You see, it become the same. Okay, I bring the same because they are same integration. only the number is different. This one 1, this one 4 over 9. Okay, so the other side, negative 1 over 3, okay, exponent 2x cos 3x plus 2 over 9 exponent 2x sin 3x. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plus these two number. You see, these two number are same number. Looks like this one consider like x, this one consider like 4 over 9x. See, this one like something like I change it to x. Ini ialah apa? Ini pun x juga, sebab benda yang sama. So ini ialah 1 plus 4 over 9, you get what? 1 plus 4 over 9, we get what? I think we'll get 13 over 9, is it? Okay, kita dapat 13 over 9 Okay, so macam mana saya dapat? Sebab 1 tambah 4 per 9. Okay, ini saya padam. Okay, so 1 tambah 4 per 9, I get 13 over 9. 13 over 9 integrate exponent 2x sin 3x dx. See, it become nicely a single number. Then this side kita dah tak ada integration lah. So we already almost very close to the answer. So kita dah selesai dah, because this side no more integration already. So kita just selesaikan 13 over 9, kita pindah sana, kita dah dapat jawapan dia. So negative 1 over 3 exponent 2x cos 3x plus 2 over 9 exponent 2x sin 3x. Maksudnya, and 13 over 9 I have to bring here. So bring here become what? Integrate exponent 2x sin 3x dx will be equal 9 over 13 times negative 1 over 3 exponent 2x cos 3x plus 2 over 9 exponent 2x sin 3x. And then finally you can put c plus c. Kita dah boleh selesai dah. Kita dah selesai, kita letak tambah c dah. And we expand. Okay, kita selesaikan ni dengan kita expand. You just expand this. So the last expansion will give you integration exponent 2x sin 3x dx will be equal 9 times 1 is negative 9. I think I can cancel, right? Okay, ini guna calculator lah. Use calculator. Okay, 9 over 13 times negative 1 over 3. I think you get 3 over 13. 9 over 13 times negative 1 over 3. Okay, so we get okay, 3 over 13 exponent 2x cos 3x plus, okay, plus what? Plus 9 over 13 times 2 over 9. Yeah, correct. Yeah, you are right. So you get 2 over 13. 2 over 13 exponent 2x sin 3x plus c. So that is the last answer. Okay, that is the last answer. Okay, any questions so far? Ada apa-apa nak tanya saya? This one will like 5 to 10 marks lah. Okay, it depends on the question lah. It depends on the variable. Like 2x sin 3x kan, it depends on the number. So it's actually 5 to 10 marks lah. Okay, so this is what we get, so this is the answer. Okay, even I can give you another homework if you want. If you want, we can I give you another homework where you can try to do yourself. Okay, so I give you another. Yeah. Dia mesti akan jadi sama. Kalau you dua kali integrate, because sine alternate become cos, cos alternate become sine. So definitely you get back the same. Dia takkan jadi tak sama. Because kalau you integrate sine, dia akan jadi cos. Kalau cos integrate, lagi sekali dia jadi sine. So there is no exceptional lah. Kalau you ambil cos pun, cos integrate jadi sine. Lepas sine integrate jadi cos. So you get back the same. So it is not possible to not get lah. Okay, so definitely you get, mesti dapat. Takkan tak mungkin tak dapat. Yes, something wrong. Yes, you did something wrong. Mesti kena dapat. Okay, mesti kena dapat. Kalau you tak dapat, something wrong already. Because sine integrate dapat cos, cos integrate lepas sine. So dia pusing di situ je. So kalau dua kali buat, confirm dia datang balik apa yang asal dia. Cuma constant dia tak sama dah. Because when you have number, you get constant there. So only the constant is different. But definitely the integration you get back. Si biji akan dapat balik. Okay, so good lah. You ask question means you already see the things. Very good. Okay, so this is homework. Take this homework. Try to do on the next class. Okay, you can ask me if you want. You can ask me. You can discuss with me. No problem. Okay, so integrate. Let's say I give you 3/5. Okay, I give you 3. This time I give you constant to make it like even complicated. Okay, 3 exponent 5x sine. Since I give you sine, so this time I give you cos. So exponent 5x cos 4x dx. Try this. Okay, try to do. Later you can discuss with me. If you want, you can discuss with me. I have no problem in discussing. Okay, so I hope you study that. That's the very important thing. Yeah, integrate. Sorry, integrate. Yeah, missing dah, dia dah hilang. Sorry. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Tak. Ini bila case dia exponent trigo. Yeah. Only for this case. Exponent trigo saja benda ni. Only when the exponent and trigo combination. Ini kalau macam ni. Trigono. Okay. Only these two combination will give you this problem. Yang lain kita boleh selesai macam biasa. Only this exponent trigo, because exponent integrate dapat sine. Sine integrate dapat cos. So there are no ending. Exponent differentiate berapa kali pun dia akan bagi jawapan. So it seems something like you cannot end the problem. But polynomial kuasa dia akan turun. So definitely we go for the answer. Because differentiate S kuasa 3 dia jadi S kuasa 2. S kuasa 2 dia akan jadi X. So the power reducing. So polynomial dia tak ada masalah. Cuma dia bila exponent trigo, this combination we give you this problem. Is it okay? Okay, ya dapat eh? Okay, so I think we have completed the partial fraction lah. So this exercise you try to do, we can discuss. Okay, maybe in the next lesson we see how Okay, kita tengok Okay, now I'm going to proceed for the partial fraction integration by using partial fraction. Okay, so we're going to continue with partial fraction today. Okay, so partial fraction we have three form. Okay, form number one. Okay, we have fx divided by x plus a times x plus b equal a over x plus a plus b over x plus b. Okay, form number one. Form number two, we have fx divided by x plus a square. Means you get a and then x plus a and then b divided by x plus a square. And then number three, when you have a cubic problem, cubic maksudnya ada kuasa 3 lah. Okay, fx equal, okay, you get ax square plus bx plus c times, then here you get x plus d. Okay, we get ax plus b divided by a square plus bx plus c plus c divided by x plus d. Okay, so we have three form to understand. Okay, we have these three form to understand. Okay, so let me give you some examples so that you can understand clear about partial fraction. Okay, you copy that. Copy that means we can continue. Okay, I give you example number one. Okay, this one is any problem comes with a partial fraction. Okay, copy that. Anyone? Any problem so far? Tak ada masalah sorry, I say sudah lari sikit lah. Sorry, apa tadi? Belum copy lagi. Okay. Okay, so I may proceed lah. Proceed for the example number 1. Okay, kita pergi soalan 1, number 1. Okay, now I'm going to solve this. Integrate. Okay, 1 over. Okay, I give you x plus 2, x plus 3 dx. Okay, I have this. Okay, 1 over integrate 1 over x plus 2, x plus 3. Okay, so since it's a partial fraction, okay, kalau kita nampak di sini, ini ialah fx kita. This is what I refer as fx. Okay, this is what I call as xa. This is what I call as xb. Okay, remember, this is what I actually write here. Kalau you tengok di sini, ni yang saya tulis ke sini. Inilah kiranya satu kita. Okay, okay, depends on the function lah. Okay, it depends on the function. Okay, so you know this one is form number 1 lah. Okay, kalau kita perasan, ini ialah form number 1. Okay, if we have a partial fraction problem, you have two things to do. One, you do partial fraction. Okay, remember, first thing, you do partial fraction. And then once finish the partial fraction, now next, then only you go for the integration. Jangan buat dua-dua sekali. So you have two things to do. Number 1, you do partial fraction. Number 2, you go for integration. Don't do it together. Okay, sebabnya ini dua-dua ada markah. You do partial fraction, got mark. You do integration, you got mark. So you no need to do together. If you do together, then I also cannot understand, then it is not easy to get mark. Okay, so you do one by one because there is marks for the partial fraction. Okay, as I said to you, okay, bawa keluar dia punya benda ni. So we do partial fraction. So we just split this 1 over x plus 2, x plus 3. So means I do only the partial fraction. I just take out the function, I put it here. So I just do the partial fraction. So partial fraction, I get what? I get a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3. You remember? Remember the first form? You see, look at here. So this side I get what? I get a x plus a and b x plus b. Okay, so the function we split into 2 because we are partial means consider we splitting the fraction. Okay, so what I get is this. So the function I already split. I get 1 over x plus 2, x plus 3. I get x plus a, x plus 2, b, x plus 3. Okay, I hope you can follow. Okay, now I want to go for the numerator. What is your numerator? Numerator is 1. Remember, this is your numerator. Right. So I want only refer to numerator. So maksudnya dekat sini apa numerator dia? Ini A lah numerator dia. Dekat sini apa numerator? Ini ialah B ialah numerator. So these two also numerator. Okay. Now what I'm going to do? Okay, saya ambil satu mestilah sama dengan. Okay, satu mestilah sama dengan. When I combine this, maksudnya kalau saya combine dia, dia akan jadi apa? Dia akan jadi A x plus 3 plus B x plus 2 divided by x plus 2 x plus 3 kan? Betul tak? Sebabnya 1/3 tambah 1/2. Kalau saya mau gabung dia, saya akan dapat 1 kali 2 tambah 1 kali 3 kali bahagi dengan 3 kali 2 dah. This is what I get. I cross multiply these two, right? Same thing I apply here. So bila saya kali, inilah sekarang saya punya numerator dia. So this is what I get. So saya letak di sini, dekat sini, A x plus 3 plus b x plus 2. Means saya kali silang dia. Ini kali silang. Ini kali dengan sini. Yang ini kali dengan sini. Dan kita buat dia sama dengan 1. So we write only the numerator. Is it okay? Boleh nampak? So 1 ialah sama dengan apa? 1 ialah sama dengan A times x plus 3, and then B times x plus 2. So this is what I get. Okay, dia dah hilang sikit, sorry Sini akan ada tambah 2, x tambah 2, dan sini ada B dah. Okay, so kita sambung balik Okay, kita sambung. Now what we need to do is we do cancellation. Kita kena bagi cancel. So macam mana saya nak cancel? Look at this. Saya nak cari jawapan A, saya nak cari jawapan B. So when I want to get A and B, I need to cancel the I need to put 0 here. So kalau saya dapat x3, okay, x sama dengan negatif 3, maksudnya ini akan jadi kosong. Saya boleh cari B dah. Okay, negatif 3 tambah 3 dia jadi kosong kan? Betul tak? So I put negative 3 means this part will be 0. Okay, so itu yang saya nak. Saya nak ganti negatif 3. So bila saya ganti negatif 3, saya akan dapat 1 equal A times 0. Sebab negatif 3 tambah 3 dia jadi kosong. Nak mana I put here negative 3 plus 3, and then plus B times negative 3 plus 2. So I do substitute negative 3. Okay, bila kita negatif 3, I want 0 dah. So I want 0 means I can go for answer for B. So saya dapat apa? Saya akan dapat 1 equal, so anyhow this part will be 0 plus, so negative 3 plus 2 you get negative 1. So means you get negative B dah. Kita kena cari sendiri. So you ambil, you buat macam ni dah. Kalau you tak nampak, you buat macam ni. Itu style dia. You buat cara macam ni. Sekarang kita ada tambah 2 tambah 3 kan. So kita ada tambah 2 dengan tambah 3 kan. So you buat dia jadi kosong. So x dapat negatif 2, x dapat negatif 3. So inilah value kita yang nak ganti. So kalau kita ganti value ni, mesti dia jadi kosong. So these are the two special numbers lah. Negative 3 you must decide your own. Okay, nampak Okay, so since I do substitute, okay, so A times this becomes 0, and plus, so this this one become negative B dah. Okay, so negative B equals to 1, so B must be equals to negative 1. So kita dah selesai. Okay, so the next part, saya nak ganti negatif 2. Okay, next part I go for negative 2. So negative 2 sama juga, 1 sama dengan A kali negatif 2 tambah 3. Saya ganti balik sini saya apa-apa saya ganti balik sini. This is the form. Saya ganti balik sini. So negative 2 plus 3 plus, okay, B times negative 2 plus 2. Okay, so what I get 1 equal, so 3 minus 2 become 1, so kan dapat A dah. And this one belakang, negative 2 plus 2 0 dah. So A is equals to 1. Okay, so kita dah selesai partial fraction. So we have completed the first part. Okay, remember now partial fraction is settled. Kita dah selesai dah. Okay, so once we solve the partial fraction, then we continue to the integration. Baru kita sambung balik integration. Okay, so you have marks for this. You get A, you get B, you get marks. So you get answer, you get this answer, you get marks. So you settle this. Now you proceed for the integration. So when you substitute that, there is a mark there for the integration. So this part we need to have in your calculation. Okay, next. Okay, next I proceed for the integration. Okay, so my question is just now what? My question is just now, okay, integrate 1 over x plus 2 x plus 3. So I copy back. So saya ambil balik. Okay, my question just now is 1 over x plus 2 x plus 3 dx. So I integrate, I get what? I get a over x plus 2 plus b over x plus 3 dx, because this is what we wrote here. Remember? You see, look at this. Kita buat benda ni kan? Kita buat benda ni tadi. See, look at this. So kita ada kat sini, kita ada kat sini. So 1 over x plus 2 x plus 3, we break them into a over x plus 2, b over x plus 3, and you already have the answer for a and b. See, look at this. You already have the answer b, you already have the answer a. Now you substitute them into the equation. So kita masuk balik dekat sini. So equal integrate. So a is 1 over x plus 2 and b is negative 1. So negative, you put negative here lah. Okay, negative 1 over x plus 3. Ataupun saya tambah ni dulu. Lepas tu kita kena selesai jugalah negatif positif ni. Okay, remember we have negative positive, so we have to solve the negative positive problem. So we have this. So negative positive is negative 1 over x plus 3 dx. Okay, anyone? Any questions so far? Boleh ikut? Atau you miss anything to copy? No, okay, following, Okay, now, come, continue for the integration. Bagi saya apa jawapan ni? What's his answer? Okay, so answer is, anyone volunteer? Yeah, correct. Yeah, log. So ln, okay, x plus 2 minus, okay, log x plus 3 plus c. So inilah jawapan dia. Because 1 over x plus 2 you get log, okay, ataupun ln lah. Okay, so log x plus 2 minus x plus 3 plus c. See, one step dah dapat jawapan. Integration, just that only. Only the partial fraction you have things to do. Cuma partial fraction yang panjang sikit. Tapi integration dia memang senang. Okay, next. I give you one example. Next, okay, I give you another example. The same problem. Okay, so kita cuba x plus 1 over, okay, x minus 1 and x plus 3, x minus 3 dx. Cuba soalan ni. And number 2. Okay, so I give you the answer. So first thing, we do partial fraction. First thing you need to do is partial fraction. Okay, what is our partial fraction here? X plus 1 over x plus 1 over x minus 1 x minus 3. Okay, this is what our partial fraction. And what form is this? This form will give you a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 3. Okay, since still we are in the beginning stage, so I give you a simple problem now. Okay, so what is our numerator? So numerator is x plus 1. So we go for this. Kita kena ambil A, kita kena ambil B. So kita kena darab silang. Ini darab dengan ni, ini darab dengan ni. Okay, so I get what? I'll get x plus 1 equal A times x minus 3 plus B times x minus 1. Mesti kena dapat ni dulu, because this is the form that will derive to the answer. Ni yang kita kena follow. So this is the form that will derive to the answer. So x plus 1 equal A times x minus 3 plus B times x minus 1. Okay, after you get this, now you do substitution. Okay, apa kita dah substitute? So kita ambil balik ni, x minus 1 x minus 3. So kita ambil balik ni, x minus 1 you put 0, so x must be equal 1. X minus 3 equal to 0, x equals to 3. So maksudnya kita mau ganti apa? Kita ganti 1 dan 3 lah. These are the suitable value that you put, you get straight to 0. Inilah paling senang. Okay, this is the way you can identify what value is very suitable to substitute there. So of course you get 0, the constant become, the A, B easily eliminated. So nak cepat, inilah cara dia. Okay, you get x equals to 1, right? Okay, so kita ganti x 1. Okay, now this time I put x equals to 1. Okay, when you put 1, this side also got 1 x, right? So maksudnya sini pun kena masuk 1. So 1 tambah 1, because this side also got x. So sini pun ada x. So bila sini ada x, maksudnya sini pun kena ganti 1. Okay, so 1 tambah 1 sama dengan, okay, 1 plus 1 equal A is A we don't know times 1 minus 3 plus you get 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 of course lead to 0, right? So this part is eliminated. So we go for the last answer, and 1 plus 1 is 2 equal, and A times negative 2 we get negative A, negative 2A, so A will be 2 divided by negative 2, we get negative 1. So kita dapat A sama dengan negatif 1. Okay, next I'm proceed for the x3. So x equals to 3. So 3 plus 1, because x plus 1, so 3 plus 1 equal, so A, and okay, saya kena substitute sini, remember, I must put it here. Saya kena masuk dalam ni, apa-apa saya kena masuk kat sini. So this is the one will guide you to substitute. Ni yang kita kena ambil. Okay, so you get what? You get 3 minus 3 will be leading to 0, and the other side will come my plus B, and 3 minus 1. So 3 minus 1 will give you 2, right? Okay, so kita akan dapat 3 plus 1 is 4, and then A times 0 you get 0, and then plus 2B. 3 minus 1 is 2, so 2 times B is 2B. So B you will get Okay, 4 divided by 2, you get 2, right? So B is equals to 2. Okay, now we can go for the integration. Sekarang kita boleh masuk untuk integration. Okay, so the integration is, okay, integrate x plus 1 divided by x minus 1 x minus 3 dx will be equal. Okay, just now I get a and b, so my a is a over x minus 1 plus b over x minus 3 dx. Okay, this is the partial of the fraction. Okay, so partial means split of the fraction. Okay, so we substitute. What is a? A is negative 1. Negative 1 over x minus 1 plus b is 2 over x minus 3 dx. So what is the last answer? Apa jawapan last kita? Sama dengan ya, correct. Okay, ini akan jadi negative log x minus 1 plus 2 log x minus 3 plus c. Okay, so inilah jawapan kita. See the integration, 2 steps only. Kalau you tengok pun dia jadi 2 step saja. You ganti, dah you terus boleh pergi jawapan. 2 steps only. But the integration, but the partial fraction, of course you have many steps to go, right? Okay, 2 steps, I mean not to say maximum, right? Usually 2-3 steps you get the answer. Okay, I think now we need to take some break dah. Saya pun sudah penat. Okay, so we stop for 5 minutes. Okay, then we will continue for the different form of the partial fraction. Okay, now time is 8:57. It's okay dah. 8:50. We break until 9:05 dah. 57, tapi tak apa dah, kita sambung 05. Okay, okay, that's all right. Okay, kita berhenti kejap. Apa-apa nanti sambung tanya bila nanti 9:05. Okay, so kita stop dulu. Okay, kita sambung balik nombor 3. Okay, thank you. Okay, kita sambung balik nombor 3. So integrate 1 over x square plus x minus 12 dx. Okay, the step that we need to do here is we need to use calculator. Get the root. Masuk calculator, cari root dia. Because this time I don't give you the factor form. I mean saya tak bagi you factor form. So you need to identify yourself. What is your A? What is your B? You kena cari sendiri dah. So you need to get the factor form. So how to get the factor form? So masuk dalam calculator, cari ABC dia. Okay, put A is 1, B is 1, C is negative 12. So when you put, you get x equal negative 3. Your calculator give you negative 3 and your calculator give you 3 and your calculator give you also x equals to negative 4. So these are the answer. So maksudnya kita akan masuk di sini. Okay, so we want to get this equal. We get 1 over minus 3. Okay, because kita kena bagi dia negatif kan. So negative 3 and plus 4 dx. So kita kena tukar ni dulu. So we must get this form first. Okay, kita kena tukar dia. Then we can proceed for the solution. Okay, come quickly find this answer. Okay, equal. Yeah, we need to proceed for the partial fraction. Okay, partial fraction. Okay, again, I get what? 1 over x minus 3, x plus 4 can be write as, okay, a over x minus 3 plus x plus 4. And 1 equal, so cross multiply a times x plus 4, b times x minus 3. So we get a x plus 4 plus b x minus 3. Okay, now what is the suitable value that I'm going to substitute? This is the answer. Calculator dah bagi tadi. Remember? Calculator answer. Inilah jawapan kita. These are the answers that you can put, so that you can straight away get 0. Sebab kita dah buat negatif positif kan. Sebab ini tambah 3, kita dah tukar jadi tolak 3. So kalau ganti 3, dia akan jadi kosong kan. Because 3 is the root. So take this value. So kita ambil balik jawapan ni. Kita masuk x sama dengan 3. X equals to 3. And x equals to negative 4. So what is the answer you get when x equals to 3? Apa jawapan bila kita dapat 3? Bila kita ganti 3. So when you put 3, you get what? So 2/7 1/7 kan? A dapat 1/7 kan? Okay, correct. Okay, 1 equal A 3 plus 4 plus 0. So A you get 3/7. 1/7. Okay, kita dapat 1/7. Very good. Okay, next. Next, go for B. Cari pula B. X equal negative 4. Excuse me. So you get 1 equal, and here this side 0 plus negative 7b. So negative 4 minus 3 negative 7. So b will be negative 1/7. Okay, so kita dapat ni. Now you substitute them into the integration. So integrate 1 over x minus 3 1 x plus 4 dx will give you integrate 1/7 over x minus 3 minus 1/7 x plus 4 dx. Okay, so a over x minus 3, okay, plus b over x minus 4. Since we have negative 1/7, so I put negative here. And what is the last answer? Equal. Okay, 1/7. Okay, correct. Negative 1/7 log x minus 3 minus 1 over 7. 7 into the 7 into the x minus 3. 7 into the x minus 3 means here you want to substitute here. Okay. Okay. Okay, so no problem, no problem, right? You understand, right? Okay. Okay, so 1 over 7 log x plus 4 plus c. Okay, so we have completed the question number 3. Okay, next I go for number 2, form number 2, sorry. Okay, form number 2. Form number 2 is square problem. Okay, so number this one, number 4. Integrate, and let's say I want to find x plus 1 over x minus 2 square dx. Okay, how to solve this? Okay, I want to use partial fraction, but the problem is I got square, x minus 2 square. Yeah, for this case, okay, I need to use the form number 2. So form number 2, it says what? Form number 2 says when you have partial fraction of x function fx and then ax plus b square, ax plus a square, then you can break them into a over x plus a plus b over x plus a square. Okay, a square. You see, you got the same number, you got the same number. You got x plus a, you got x plus a square. So the number is 2 times. Okay, the number is 2 times, and okay, you got a, you got b. So we need to solve. Again, you have 2 split function. Okay, now I go for the partial fraction of this number 4 question. Okay, the 4th question. Okay. Okay, if any doubt, any problem, okay, just stop me, because okay, I just proceed. So if any doubt, please stop me, and I can explain to you better. Okay, next. Okay. Okay, next. Okay, next I proceed for the partial fraction. So I get what? I get x plus 1 over, okay, x minus 2 square equal. So here I get what? Here I get a over x minus 2 plus b over x minus 2 square. Okay, now since I get something like this, okay, okay, so here the problem is, I need to get the numerator. Now the problem is when you find the numerator. Numerator maksudnya yang atas lah. Okay, yang atas. Yang ni numerator. This one is the numerator. Okay, so of course x plus 1 doesn't change lah. X plus 1 still the same. Only this part. Ni yang kita kena faham. Okay. Okay, so saya nak explain the simple one. Simple example dulu. Okay, let's say I have a problem. Something like a over x plus b over x square. Okay, kita faham ni dulu. Sebelum kita pergi ni, kita fahamkan simple example. Kalau dia ada x dengan x square, kalau saya kali yang ini, kalau saya kali ni dengan x square, kali dengan x, kali sini saya letak dot. Okay, kali ni dengan dot. Dot maksudnya kali kan. Okay, so bila saya kali, saya terus dapat ax over x square plus b over x square. You get my point lah. My point is, sekarang saya tak perlu kali silang. Because of what? Because ini dah x square. So kalau saya just kali dia, dengan x square, saya dah boleh dapat ax plus b over x square. Saya boleh dah combine dia. Okay, you get my point. My point is, you just times x only. Maksudnya you kali satu kali saja. You tak perlu kali silang. Because of what? Because when you get x square, you can combine them already. Because the denominator already same. Okay, macam contoh 1/5 dengan 2/25. So kalau kita kali 5, maksudnya kita dah boleh combine dah. Ini maksud saya. Sebab ini dah 25, ini pun dah 25, kita boleh combine dia. Okay, you understand what I mean? The point is, you no need to do cross multiplication. You just times one time, you get the answer. So the point here is, maksudnya ini ada square, ini tak ada square. So ini kena kali dengan x minus 2, ini kena kali dengan x minus 2. So bila saya kali, saya akan dapat a x minus 2 plus b dah. Saya dapat ini saja. Because yang ni tak perlu kali. Because it's already there. The denominator already x minus 2 square. So saya dapat a times x minus 2 plus b. Any problem so far? Apa-apa nak tanya saya? Tak ada, faham Okay, kalau faham, okay, now we proceed for the solution lah. Kita masuk balik solution dia. Kita masuk balik solution dia. So kita boleh selesai macam biasa. So x plus 2, x minus 2, right? X minus 2 equals to 0. So maksudnya x mesti kena jadi 2 lah. Saya ganti x equals to 2. So x equals to 2, I get so x equals to 2 means 2 plus 1 equal a, 2 minus 2 plus b. So what's the answer? B will be equal? Yes, correct. B will be 3 lah. Sebab ini dah jadi kosong kan? Okay, ini dah jadi kosong. So this part is 0. Okay, so sekarang kita dah dapat B. How to find A? Macam mana sekarang nak cari? Nak masukkan nilai B yang kita cari. Okay, itu satu cara. Boleh? Okay, boleh juga. Okay, so kalau saya dapat, okay, betul. X tambah 1 sama dengan A, X tolak 2 tambah 3. Lepas tu? Lepas tu berapa? Boleh? X sama dengan 2, you dapat balik 3. You tak dah selesai A. Faham tak? Kalau you ganti 2, 2 tolak 2 jadi A kosong. You tak dapat cari A. Okay. This time, you buat satu lagi. Ini you punya pilihan sendiri. So, you can substitute any value you like. You boleh substitute any number you like. Except 2. Jangan masuk 2. 2 kalau dia dapat balik 3. No use finding this. So, kalau saya prefer 0. I prefer 0. So, when I put 0, so sini jadi kosong, sini akan jadi kosong. Okay, so easy to go lah. Kalau kosong senang sikit lah. Okay, so 1 equal negative 2a plus 3. Ini sebab dia ada satu root saja. Bila satu root, kita boleh connect sekali saja. So another value, you must do another number, new number lah. So new number usually I put 0. If you ask me, 0 is the one easy to go. Okay, faham Okay, so I put 0. Then what is my answer for A? Apa jawapan saya? Yeah, you get 1, correct. So negatif 2 jadi 2, 3 tolak 1 dah. Okay, negatif 2 pindah sini, positif, 1 pindah sana jadi tolak. So A is equal 2 minus 2, 3 minus 2, 3 minus 1 is 2, 2 divide 2 is 1. So kita dapat 1. Okay, put this value into your integration. Masuk jawapan ni dalam integration. Okay, so integrate. Okay, integrate. So just now the question is x plus 1 divide x minus 2 square dx will be equal. Okay, integrate. Okay, and a is what? A is, okay, a is 1, so 1 over x minus 2, and then plus b is 3, so 3 over x minus 2 square dx. Okay, now we're going for the integration. Okay, what is the answer? Equal okay, log x minus 2. Okay, 1 per negatif 1. Okay, okay, 3 dalam kurungan, 3 dalam kurungan. Okay, okay, 3 dalam kurungan. Okay, tolak 2 kuasa negatif berapa? Negatif 2. Okay, correct. Negatif 1 over okay, correct. Negatif 1. So A dia 1, so sini tadi A dah. And plus C. Okay, very good. Kalau you nampak ni, very good. Okay, remember kita boleh apply log bila 1 per x sahaja. Kalau tolak 1 tak ada masalah. Tapi kalau dia ada kuasa 2, then cara dia lain. Don't simply put log anymore. Nasib baik saya tak dengar siapa-siapa beritahu log sini. Meaning that you know what is the right formula to apply when power of 2. Okay, patutnya formula ni ialah when it is this, you must use A, this formula. Nak apply formula ni, ax plus b power of n plus 1 divided by a n plus 1 plus c. This is the right formula to apply. Okay, luckily you already know the concept. Very good. Okay, so kita akan dapat last answer, kita akan dapat log okay, x minus 2 and then minus, because 3 negative 1 you get negative 3, and x minus 2 negative 1 plus c. Okay, so we get equal log x minus 2 minus 3 over x minus 2 plus c. inilah jawapan kita. Okay, anyone? Any problem so far? Apa-apa nak tanya saya? Okay, of course this part you need to recall again lah. These are the concept that we need to recall. Ini soalan ni dia akan jadi 3x negative 2. So negative 2 tambah 1 jadi negative 1, negative 1. Okay, so I hope you remember this because we have seen this example before. Okay, next I continue with another example. Number 5, number 6 Okay, number 6. Okay, integrate 2x plus 1 over x minus 3, and then I put here square dx. Come, try this, number 6. Okay, so we can split the function as a over x minus 3 plus b over x minus 3 square. So kita dapat ni. Okay, after that, we go for the partial fraction. Kita masuk partial fraction dia. So partial fraction will say that 2x plus 1 over x minus 3 square give you equal. Okay, so a over x minus 3 plus okay, sorry I don't know what is the problem. Okay, minus 3 plus b over x minus 3 square. Okay, so once we know this, now I need to get the numerator. What is the numerator? Numerator is 2x plus 1 must be equal. So since this one, we need to expand as another x minus 3, so I get a times x minus 3 plus just b lah, because this part already square. So only tempat ni yang kita kena kali x minus 3. Kalau kita kali, then the denominator will be same. So I get ax minus 3 plus b. Now I can go for the substitution. So what is the suitable value I can put? X equal, yeah, of course we can put 3 lah. Thank you. So kita boleh masuk 3. So when you put 3, then you get 2 times 3 plus 1 equal 0 plus b. Okay, so kita akan dapat, okay, 7, so b 7 lah. Next number you put 0, x equals 0, and then b 7 you substitute. So you get 2 times 0 plus 1 equal a 0 minus 3 plus 7. Put the 7 inside. Because to find a, you need to substitute b. Mesti kena ganti, baru dapat. Okay, so what will be answer? So ini dapat 1 kan? 1 tolak sana. Ya, yeah, correct. Negatif So A you get this one get 1. This one get negative 3A plus 7. So 3A is equal 7 minus 1, which means A equals to 2. Okay, once you get the values, okay, a and b, come, go for the integration. Okay, of course we need to one part will be log, another part we must use this formula, ax plus b n plus 1 divided by a times n plus 1 plus c. Excuse me. Okay, so finally you get, okay, if you have no idea, if you are not good in the formula for this especially so you do one by one. Okay, don't straight away jump into the answer. Try to go for the answer by one. So 2 over x minus 3, we know this answer already, so this one okay. Only this part you do this 7 x minus 3 and then you put negative 2 dx. You go one by one. Okay, so you get what? You get log, okay, 2 first. We put 2 log x minus 3 plus 7, and then bracket x minus 3 power of negative 1, because negative 1 plus 1 become negative 1 over negative 1 close bracket plus c. Okay, so you can go one by one. Make sure you understand what you are right. Okay, don't simply follow the formula. You must know what you are trying to do. Okay, so next equal 2 log x minus 3 plus plus become minus because negative 1, right? So you get negative 7, and then x power of negative 1 plus c. So negative 1 we put it back as a numerator, denominator again. So 2 log x minus 3 minus 7 over 7 over x minus 3 plus c. Cannot, because this one is not integration one. Remember, integration only you put log, but this one just the power only one. So we are not integrating. If integrate, yes, of course you need to put log. Okay, so we have completed the question number 6. Okay, next number 7. Okay, number 7. Okay, I give you 3 functions. Okay, I give you something like this. Okay, let's say I give you 2x plus 1 over, okay, I give you x square times x plus 1 dx. Okay, so for this problem is already combination of the form number 1, form number 2. Okay, we haven't go form 3. Form 3 is very rare in our final exam. Okay, very rare. Consider very less possibility to come out. So we discuss, our discussion will be more on number 1, number 2. This one is already combination of number 1, number 2. Number 1, number 2 combined. So we have to use both number 1, number 2. Okay, so the problem is 2x plus 1 over x square x plus 1 dx. How are we going to integrate this? Okay, so how are we going to integrate this? Okay, so first, yeah, correct. First we need to split the function. Okay, so I get what? Equal integrate. Okay, since we got x square means what? Kalau x square maksudnya, kalau ada kuasa 2 maksudnya, okay, maksudnya ada 2 kali. Very good. So a over x plus b over s square. Kalau you jumpa square, dia mesti ada 2 kali. X square mesti 2 kali, confirm. Okay, plus since this time got x plus 1, right? So another, this time we go for c over x plus 1 dx. So kita ada a, b, c lah, because you got combination of number 1, number 2. So sekarang kita ada lebih daripada 2. This time got 3. So a over x, because square means kena ada 2. Satu ialah x, satu lagi ialah kuasa 2. Just now, right? X plus 1, x plus 1 square. Same goes to, even we have square. X square also same. We have x, we have x square. And of course, x plus 1 is another function. So, kita ada x plus 1 lah for C. So, this time we already have three different denominator. Okay. Next, kita sambung untuk partial fraction dia. Okay, next kita sambung untuk partial fraction dia. Okay, partial fraction dia akan dapat apa? So, partial fraction dia integrate. Kita tarik ke integrate. Kita just ambil partial fraction dia. So, 2x plus 1 over s square x plus 1 equal. So, of course, you get a over x, b over s square, c over x plus 1. Okay, we already have this. Now we need to get the numerator. So numerator maksudnya yang atas lah. Kita kena dapat yang atas ni. So 2x plus 1. This side, okay, easy. Yang ini yang kita kena fikir sekarang. Okay, so now you need to times, right? So to combine this, ini mesti kena kali dengan x. So maksudnya sini akan dapat ax tambah b over, okay, sini kita akan dapat ax plus b over s square plus c over x plus 1. So kita combine ni dua lah. Okay, once combine ni dua, then combine kena 3. Maksudnya sekarang baru kita kali silang lah. Sebab ini duduk tak sama. Sekarang kita kena kali silang. So kali silang kita akan dapat apa? Kalau kali silang kita akan dapat 2x plus 1 equal ax plus b times x plus 1 plus c times s square. Ini kita kali silang. So bila kita dah gabung ni, then kita kali silang. Sebab apa? Dua-dua function ni tak sama. So bila tak sama, kali silang. Okay, anyone? Any problem so far? Boleh ikut? Boleh boleh ikut So bila tak sama, kita kali silang dia. Kalau dia sama, kita ambil satu saja. Macam tadi, ini dah sama, ini sama, cuma dia kurang. So ini kita kali satu je. Tapi ini langsung tak sama, so kita kali silang. Okay, next kita substitute lah. Now we go for substitution. So x when x equal, okay, kita mau ganti apa? Okay, kita ganti negatif 1, correct. Kita ganti negatif 1. Kalau kita ganti negatif 1, kan? Okay, negatif 1. Okay, so 2 kali negatif 1 tambah 1 sama dengan, okay, so kalau kita ganti negatif 1, ini semua jadi kosong lah. Okay, negatif 1, maksudnya I put negatif a plus b, and this one 0, right? Tambah c kali negatif 1 kuasa 2. Okay, so of course ini jadi kosong dah. Okay, kalau ini jadi kosong tak apa. And what do you get for this side? You get negative 2 plus 1, you get negative 1. And 0, so you can find answer C first. So kita dapat C dah. Negative 1 square become C, right? Because negative positive. So C you already get answer negative 1. Okay, C kita dapat negative 1. Yes. Yeah, we go one by one. So you found first the means what you find number one. One by one. So you already have the answer for C. Next we proceed A and B. We have to do 3 times because 3 constant, right? So we have to do 3 times. So we get one by one. Okay, so we already have the answer for C. C is -1. Okay, next substitute -1 into the equation. So you get what? You get 2x plus 1 equal ax plus b, and then x plus 1, and then negative x square. So negative x square you get, ni cancel, so negative positive become negative x square. Okay, so we have another. Okay, we have the function once we substitute -1. Now we go for another substitution. When x equals to, what is the suitable value we can go? X, when x equals, yeah, correct, we put 0 right? We go for 0. Okay, we try to go for 0. So when once you put 0, you get what? You get 1 equal, because 2 times 0 is 0, so 0 plus 1 is just 1, equal, so you get b, because a times 0 you get b only, right? So b times 1 minus 0, right? Now you already have the answer for b, right? You see, b, you already have the answer for b. B is 1 lah. Okay, you put 0 here. Kalau masuk kosong sini, ini cancel. Kalau masuk sini, ini cancel. So that's why ini pun dah cancel. So that's why you get this. Ini pun cancel. Because 0, okay, will give you faster answer. Okay, sebab kali apa pun dia di kosong. That's why I recommend you to put 0. Okay, now we get what? We get b equal 1. Okay, kita dapat 1. Now 1 also you put into the formula, yang kita punya formula asal. Okay, so we get what? We'll get, so 2x plus 1 equal ax plus 1 minus s square. Put, because once we have answer, put it back to the equation. So we have answer b is 1, so I put here 1. This time you have to choose another number, sebab kita mau cari a. So this time what do you want to put when x equal? So I think 1 is better lah. Kita ambil 1, sebab 1 kali apa-apa dia dapat nombor tu balik. So itu pun kita tak perlu kira. So it is easy. 0, 1 is the easy one lah. Sebab kalau kita letak 1, dia dapat nombor tu balik, which is easy to go. Okay, so 2 times 1 you get 2 plus 1 equal a times 1 you get a plus 1 minus 1. Sebab 1 kuasa 2 jadi 1 balik. Okay, 1 minus 1, 0. Okay, ini cancel. So a must be equal 3 dah. Okay, now you see you get answer what A, B, C. Sudah dapat. Kurungan S plus 1. Ini dekat sini. Cuma saya tak kurungkan lah, sebab dah boleh buka kurungan. So masuk value boleh buka kurungan lah. Itu saya tak kurungkan tadi. Tapi nak kurung boleh je, tak ada masalah. Oh ya, betul. Tarik, you betul tadi. Ni kan ada X tambah 1 kan? Ya, I'm error, sorry. Betul. Sorry for the error. Sebab kini ada X tambah 1. Oh yeah, I mistake this. I made error on this. Thank you for this. Okay, so bila ganti 1, dia akan jadi 2 tambah 1 sama dengan A tambah 1. Lepas itu 1 tambah 1 jadi 2 tolak 1. Oh ya, yeah, correct. Ya, yeah, I made error here. Okay, so ini jadi 3. Yang ini dia akan jadi 2A tambah 2 tolak 1. Okay, so 2 tolak 1 jadi 1, 1 tolak 1 jadi 2. So A mesti 1 juga lah. Okay, please check my answer. Okay, please check my answer. Okay, so once we have ABC, now we can proceed for the last answer. Okay, we can proceed for the last answer. So integration. Okay, just now is what? Okay, integrate 2x plus 1. Okay, integrate 2x plus 1 divided by s square, and we have x minus 1 dx equal, a is 1 over x, b also 1, so 1 over s square, plus c is negative 1, so I get negative here. So I have negative 1 over, okay, negative 1 over x minus 1 dx. So you see become a simple partial fraction. Okay, simple fraction lah. So it's easy to integrate. Okay, so I proceed with the integration. So this one become negative 2, negative 1. This will become negative 2. This will become negative 1. Okay, I do this because ini log, ini bukan log. Okay, ini log, ini ln, ini adalah log. Okay, ini pun log, logarithm. Ini bukan logarithm. This one is power 2, power of negative 2. You kena guna the normal integration. Okay, so kita proceed for the last answer. So equal, okay, log x plus x minus 1 over negative 1 minus log x minus 1 plus c. Okay, so that will give you log x minus 1 over x minus log x plus minus 1 plus c. Okay, so that is the last answer. Okay, so that's all for today. That's all for today. Okay, so saya berhenti sampai sini. Okay, thank you class. Okay, before you leave, here. Okay, sorry for the correction. Ini plus 1. Okay, ini tambah 1. Ini tambah 1. Okay, please correct this calculation. Sebab saya tengok tadi salah. Okay, so before we leave the class, please leave your metric number dalam metric. Yeah. Yes.